Yo, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. You know what? On this video, I wanted to give you a little case analysis to whether to work out whether you're going to do a deal or not. So I am in my kitchen. In fact, this is my baby boy. He's one. You turn one. When did you turn one?
Today.
Today. This is Luke. You turn one today. This is Alistair. Alistair is just finished running a crash course. How did it go?
Amazing.
Dude,
Really
we met 2 years ago. He was a skeptical Scotsman. Now he's making between 40 and 50,000 pounds per month. Is that true, my friend?
Yeah, very true. Very true. Yeah, very true.
He's just knackered because he's just been
beat.
beat. But where are we going right now, folks? Where are we going?
Burnley!
We're going to Burnley to view some houses. So we're going to be viewing houses tomorrow in Burnley. This is Amelia. Amelia is my manager. She keeps my life in check. Pav is the videographer, one of the best. Took him to Africa with me. Absolutely killed it. Anyway, so I want to talk to you about when you're viewing properties. We're going to be viewing loads of houses tomorrow. How do you know whether to go ahead with a deal or not? Here's what I'll say. Do a best case, worst case, most likely case scenario. What's the best case? What's the worst case? What's the most likely case? Work out the return on investment. Use your formulas, not your feelings. And also always have an exit strategy. So if we're looking at HMOs, I'm gonna always say, well, what would happen if this doesn't work as a HMO? Maybe what would be the figures if it was a single let? If I'm planning on buying it to do it up and then to refinance it and pull my money out, I'll say, well, what would happen if this gets downvalued? You know, what's the worst case scenario? Always have an exit strategy. Listen, guys, if you are serious about property and you have not been to the Property Investors Crash Course, I just wanted to show you some stories and share some things that some people have said that have come to the crash course. And people come from all over the world to the crash courses. It's 2 days. It's free on the house. So watch this story, check it out, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description as well. If you like these videos, I put out videos every single day. If you like the videos, smash the like button and subscribe. Watch these stories, stay tuned, and I hope to see you there real soon as well.
So my name is Michael, I'm from Surrey. I come here today to the property investment seminar to learn a bit more about property investments and HMOs. I recently done a seminar with the Rich Dad Poor Dad, and it was kind of like a taster session, so it kind of opened up my mind to property investment. And I actually met somebody on the day that actually mentioned Samuel and said that you should go onto YouTube, check out what he's teaching and so forth. So I went on to there. I saw a lot of videos that kind of opened up my mind more about property investments, HMOs, leasing properties, buying properties, refurbishing them and refinancing them. The energy in here is something to none. Like the first gentleman who was leading the seminar, energy was wicked. I'm just waiting to see Samuel now, get a bit more knowledge about everything that I've come here for. And yeah, hopefully go back today with a more broader mindset of how to take my actions into place. Today is the second day. When I went home yesterday, I couldn't even sleep. I got home very late. I just wanted to get on the internet and just get everything going, like testing my knowledge of what I learned from the day's work I done. And yeah, I just feel very empowered. Like I feel like mentally I'm rich already, even though I haven't done anything yet in it and made it and sourced any deals or anything. But in my head, I can feel it coming. So I've already made deals in my head. I'm already working towards making deals, and I just think it's absolutely amazing. Everyone that I've spoken to today feels the same way. Everyone knows that they can do it, and I think everyone's just willing to network with each other and connect with each other as well. So it's absolutely brilliant. Today I woke up 6 a.m. in the morning, absolutely jumped out of my bed, just happy and willing to come to this seminar. Today was really about just getting everything in place, like finances and stuff, just putting everything in check, like your bank statements, your income, expenditures and so forth, just to get the ball rolling so we know exactly where we're going to be and what time length we're going to be in. I feel like a lot of people have helped. Alistair's been absolutely wonderful, all the guest speakers, also Ben Willis helped me out as well. And I just feel like everyone is connecting with each other. Everyone's giving each other some feedback of what they can do, what they've been doing, what they've taken from it. So I think everyone as a collective has benefited from this seminar today. Next steps is just getting the ball rolling. So looking for investors, doing my due diligence about certain areas where I know I can use for HMOs. And I think it's good because when I first come here, I only had one kind of strategy that I was working towards, which was buy to let. Now I know 3 other strategies. I think it's just amazing because it's good to know what areas what strategies will work out best in certain areas. So I think with this knowledge here, you can like just capitalize on any kind of profit you get.